Hello friends, welcome back to Seema Hobbies. So today I am going to cook a special Goan dish that is almi. So let's prepare today two dishes. One is wild mushroom shakuti. It is also called almyache tonak in Konkani, and the another one is mushroom rava fry. So let's start with the recipe. These are wild mushroom which comes twice or thrice in the monsoon season, and it is grown up in the mud, so clean it properly 3 to 4 times in order to remove mud out of it. These are approximate 40 mushrooms. Now let's cut mushroom. Cut mushroom into 2 pieces if they are in small size and into 4 pieces if they are big. Here I have already added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Add 2 large sliced onions. Roast it nicely for a few seconds on medium flame. Now add dry masala, that is 20 local red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Roast it for a few seconds on medium flame. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe the channel Seema Hobbies, and also like, comment, share and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my further videos. Now let's add grated small coconut. Roast it nicely. Now here I am going to add few dry spices, that is 1 in cinnamon stick, quarter piece of nutmeg, 7 to 8 cloves. Now this is the basic masala for shakuti which is added in many shakuti items. So no need to add all the dry spices how we add for chicken and mutton shakuti. Switch off the gas flame and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. By doing this, the turmeric powder is slightly roasted. Allow it to cool and grind it into paste. Now in a pan over here, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add finely chopped 2 large onions. Saute it nicely. To this I will be adding chopped mushroom. This is approximate 40 mushroom, that is 1 big ball. Saute it nicely. Cover it and let it cook for some time. Now this is the ground masala. This is the thick ground masala paste, and this is the water from the blender jar. Let's add water from the blender jar into the mushroom.
Now
Now you can also do artificial button mushroom from this gravy. Cover it and let it cook for some time. Now let's check. Mushrooms are cooked nicely. Now add ground masala paste. Check the consistency and you can adjust the water. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of sugar for taste. Give it a good stir. Finally, I am going to add 5 to 6 kokum. If you don't have kokums, you can also add little tamarind pulp. Now it is done. Our wild mushroom shakuti is ready. Now let's move to another recipe, that is wild mushroom rawa fry. I have saved some mushroom to fry. In this I am going to add salt, a teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, little tamarind water, or a half lemon juice. Mix it nicely. This is the semolina, that is rava. I have added a teaspoon of corn flour in this, as mushrooms are slimy, that is sticky. So while getting fried, the coating of the mushroom should not go. Once the pan is hot, add oil. Add mushrooms one by one and shallow fry it. Fry it on a medium flame. Turn in between so that it cooks nicely on both sides. Turn in between. A tasty wild mushroom fry, that is army fry, is also ready. Both the recipes, Goan special mushroom shakuti, that is almyache tonak, and tasty mushroom fry is ready. Do try these recipes and let me know your opinion in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Till then, bye. Thank you. Keep watching Seema Hobbies.